Hi, I'm Steve, and this is my restaurant, Wally's Chicken. My grandfather Wally opened this restaurant in 1957. It quickly became famous for its patented family recipe and signature Wally sauce, and has been a local institution ever since. This year we're celebrating our 60th anniversary in business. Come join us for our 60th anniversary celebration, July 29th. We'll be offering our famous Wally Bucket 60% off right here at Wally's Chicken. Remember, it's one day only, so don't miss it. It's cluckin' delicious. So what'd you think?
It was good?
Yeah, it was pretty good, but what really stood out to you?
You were really good.
I'm not asking for you to suck up to me here, Brenda. I was fine. But what really stands out is the chicken. The dancing. Did you see it?
It was good?
It was fucking great. Okay. This was your predecessor, Mike Bedard. He was the best goddamn sign spinner we've ever seen. Even better than yours truly. Yeah, that's right. I was up front spinning the signs. I was in high school. It was my first job. But nobody had ever done that before us. It was Grandpa Wally's last innovation before he died. I was good. Mike Bedard was a legend. I know this is your first week and you're new to all this, but Mike Bedard and Grandpa Wally are spinning in their graves right now, Brenda. I've got another video for you to watch. This is you earlier this afternoon. It's terrible. It's low energy. There's no character.
I'm sorry. It's just it gets really hot in this costume, and
I don't want to hear excuses. You know what? Here, let me show you what you got to do. Give me the sign. Give me the sign. All right. Like this, okay? Just start with a little bit of something like this. Fuck! Shit! All right, you know what? There's not enough room in here for me to show you my skills. That was like 6%, okay? This business has been around for 60 years, and only recently has it started to decline. This is strike one. Now I need you to get out there and dance your ass off or you're fired.
Okay. Sorry.
What is your location?
5304 Corbin Lane, apartment 6.
What is your emergency?
There's someone outside my window. They're staring at me.
What is outside your window?
A chicken.
The chicken?
They're in a chicken costume.
Ma'am, this line is reserved for real emergencies. I don't appreciate prank calls. Someone can actually be hurt and trying to get through.
This is not a prank. There's someone outside my window and they're dressed like a chicken.
I'll send a unit out right now.
If you think prank calling the police is funny, well, let me tell you, it's not, okay? There could be a real emergency, and we're stuck here with you talking about a chicken.
I'm serious. The chicken or someone dressed like the chicken was outside my window.
Let's say you were serious. We did a perimeter check and there's nobody around.
It's not funny.
Good night, ma'am.
Please don't go. I think I'm in danger.
All right, we're calling the station.
No,
Crazy
please.
chicken on the loose.
Can you just leave someone to guard?
Good night, ma'am.
Fucking bitch. Give me a second. What do you think you're doing?
I'm taking a break. It's been 2 hours.
Come in.
In the bathroom?
Yeah, come in. What did we talk about yesterday, Brenda? You're not working hard enough. You're taking bathroom breaks when you could be practicing your moves. Mike Bedard rarely took breaks. He was always working hard, creating new moves all the time, always reinventing his performance. Mike Bedard took breaks when he really earned them. Okay? You have not earned this break. You show up, half-ass it for a couple hours, and now you want to take a break?
I just really need to use the restroom, please.
Okay. Alright. Have it your way, Brenda. But this is strike 2. Okay? And I want to see you in my office before you leave today. Clean that shit up. Ah, Brenda. So, you remembered our appointment. Maybe there's hope for you after all.
What did you want to talk about?
I've been thinking about how I've been treating you in regards to your performance lately, and I just wanted to say I think I've been going about it wrong. No matter what I say, it just doesn't seem to be sinking in. You keep giving the same lousy performance day in and day out. I think I'm going too easy on you.
What?
What, do you have something to say?
I
You
think...
better be careful here, Brenda.
Sorry.
Now we're going to work on your performance right here, right now.
But my shift's over.
You're going to get the sign, and you're going to dance, and you're not going to stop until I say so. Go on. And put the head back on. No, see, that's terrible. Give me something else. accidents? That's awful. Show me something else. No! Brenda, that's the Running Man. That's a move. That's copyrighted. No trademarked moves. Brenda, show me something that you created. Be creative. Brenda, that's a shitty version of my move. That's terrible. Show me something else. Really? Brenda, stop for a second. Just stop for a second. Are you getting flustered? Quit it! Go again! Don't cry. Don't cry. Just fucking do it well. Different. No. Try again. No, Brenda, stop. Do it right. Do it again. Do it better.
Steve, I don't know what you want me to do differently.
I want you to do it better. Do it like Mike Bedard did it.
I don't understand, Steve. I don't know what you want. I'm tired and it's really late and I don't know what to do.
I'm still awake. You don't see me complaining. Do you even care about your job? Do you even understand how important your job is here? What you do here? Because it doesn't seem like it from where I'm sitting.
Please, just let me go home. I'll be better tomorrow, I promise. Please.
Fine. We can stop. But you better show up tomorrow morning with the best moves I've ever seen, or you will be looking for new employment.
Shit.
You've got to be fucking kidding me.
Brenda? My office now. Why won't you let me help you, Brenda? Don't you understand how important your job is? It's like sometimes I feel like I'm talking to a fucking brick wall. I stayed up late last night, working with you to help you. And today you showed up late. This is strike 3. I don't know what else to do but fire you.
Please don't fire me. Please. I really need this job. My car got repossessed, and so I had to take the bus, and you know how awful the bus is, and I haven't been sleeping well, and I really need this job. Please, please. It won't happen again, I promise. Please.
You're lucky I'm a nice guy. Now get to work! What the fuck is she doing? This bitch is killing me. Brenda, what do you think you're doing? Brenda. 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 Brenda! Come on. You're okay. You're okay. Come on. You alright? Yeah, you're fine. There you go. Son of a bitch! Brenda, I swear to Christ, I will blow your brains out and serve you in a bucket of Wallies if you don't get the fuck out of here!
And you're sure this was a former employee?
See her face?
No, she was wearing a chicken costume, but the last time I saw her, she walked off the job wearing the costume.
A chicken costume?
That's right.
We don't appreciate this kind of prank, all right?
Prank? What the fuck are you talking about, man?
Watch your language, sir, please.
You're not the first punk to pull this chicken prank, all right?
It's not a prank. A former employee wearing stolen company property, mind you, is stalking me in my home.
Is this one of those dank memes?
I don't get it.
Look, if you call us again about this nonsense, you'll be spending a night in jail.
911 is reserved for real emergencies.
This is a real emergency.
Good night, sir.
Hey, wait, where are you going? You can't just, hey, you gotta even look in my backyard. You didn't even fucking check out the bushes.
Knock off these dank memes.
This has been a Monster Boy production. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. For more content, consider subscribing and follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching.